Was she?
Don't beep at me, I'm not moving. I'm going to block the fucking road up, you silly bitch. Shut up. Don't beep at me.
Very much you can do.
If I move forward, I'm going to block everyone who wants to get out of somewhere. They ain't going to be able to get out, are they? Yeah?
Are you ready for it?
She didn't think of things like that, does she?
Ready?
Self-entitled little bitch. She can't see a thing because her windows are all steamed up, look. She managed to get past it, what's the problem? Wow.
Oh, see, now that car wouldn't be able to get out of the road with it.
I know. Now I can move forward because there's space for me.
Oh, they're very nice, aren't they?
Oh no!
What?
That's shit luck, innit?
What?
So I start beeping at her. Come on, go, go, go! She did pulls out in front of a van.
She's on the phone.
No way.
She's texting.
Don't fuck about it.
Yeah, she is.
Don't fuck about it.
I know. What happened there?
BMW's made a blockage. Yeah.
What is going on? Okay then, well I was just ringing to check up on her.
Fuck man, where's he come from? Mental case.
Alright, I'll speak to you a bit. Bye. What is...
I don't know, he come from nowhere and just like right up my ass, I don't know.
He's got new lights?
Oh, it's not legal, no.
Well, then what's he doing out on the road?
I don't know.
Alright, bye.
Red light.
Well, yeah, Mummy bought some chocolate and she bought some Smarties to stick on top of it. Okay?
Red light.
Red light.
Let me try that again without a mouthful of food.
Oh, you just jumped into this lane anyway?
Did he?
Yeah.
Singing no one about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't you worry, man. Let's rock.
What is that? Is that some type of...
That's a fox, babe.
Are you sure?
That's a fox.
I look like a fucking badger.
That's a fox. What does the fox say? Ding, 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 ding,
No,
ding.
fucking no, Red, stop it. Oh, what a prick.
He indicated right.
Oh no, what a prick.
What's happened?
There's a car going down the street backwards on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, why?
I don't know. How very odd.
Oh, there's a man pushing it.
No way.
There is, look. See the legs running?
Why is it on the wrong side of the road though?
I don't know. Oh, bless him.
That's weird. That's very fucking weird. Have fun. I'm trying to be nice. Look at me, look at me. There we go. I'm being nice. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
Well, that was very nice of you.
Fuck yeah. Now I'm gonna get a fucking cyclist. Where's he to?
What are you doing?
I was
You were being nice and then you're trying to kill a cyclist. What's driving in 2 lanes?
Still the boat. Got the road to myself.
Don't.
Got the road to myself.
Doesn't matter.
Move.
Stay in your lane.
Ah.
Ready? Good cyclist.
Oh, it's,
Bad
I was
cyclist.
just about to say good cyclist. Bad cyclist. We run him over. Should we take him out?
Well, for all you know, you can't see him.
Well, it's on camera, you're not bed. How much of an idiot do you have to be to go for a bike ride at night with dark clothes on with no lights and your only light facing down at the floor sideways, and then you stop there? How much of a knobhead do you have to be?
A big one.
Welcome. Welcome.
It's all part of a plan.
Thank you. If you see a sign like that,
Yeah.
don't fucking park in front of it so nobody can see it.
I was going to say, that sign was definitely well hidden, wasn't it?
You prick. I fucking hate when people do that. Unless there's a speed camera, you can park in front of a speed camera.
Okay.
Loving us.
Comes back on, doesn't it?
It's not. People
I
aren't
think
queuing
that
up
is.
that far to go fucking Mackie D's, are they? Surely not.
Paper thing is.
You're having a fucking laugh, aren't you?
No.
Peeps is not.
Look.
They're not queuing that. They are queuing. Fuck me. Wow. People must really want the Mackie D's today.
Jesus.
Is it?
Yeah. That's from McDonald's.
No.
Bloody hell.
That's mad. I would not.
And look at the queue for KFC as
I
well.
would not wait in that. Fuck that.
Did you see the queue for KFC?
Fuck that.
What is going on?
People want their munchies, don't they?
You put your household in, your children out, eat out to help out, spread it all about. You do the COVID-okey and you turn around into a third lockdown. Whoa, the COVID-okey. Whoa, the COVID-okey. Whoa, the COVID-okey. Wash hands, mask. No, I forgot what it is. Masks on. Masks on, spread out. Cough, cough, cough.